welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's me again, Leah of Sugar Smile. And in today's video, I know it's been so long since I last uploaded and tried to edit, but here I am again, and I'm going to show you the newest stuff that I bought from my favorite Korean skincare and makeup brand, Althea Korea. So if you want to know what I bought in my latest haul, just keep on watching. It's the first week of July. I tried buying stuff from Althea because it's their 3rd anniversary and they have special promotions like a trip to Korea, a Samsung S9 and all that. So I bought items from Althea, and I was actually surprised when I received this package because it looks so little. Don't you think? I noticed that unlike other Althea Korea boxes, this is one of the smallest package that I received from them. But I don't know. Let's see what's the contents of this Althea Korea box or Althea Korea package. These are all the items that I bought from them. It's only 4 items, and most of them are actually staples. So aside from the products I bought, we also threw in 3 boxes. I don't know. And there is a thank you 3rd anniversary card. So it says, "It's been a year, yet another terrific year. Althea wouldn't be where we are without our beloved Altheans, so thank you for your constant love and support. We hope you'll have fun celebrating our 3rd birthday with us and continue to create your K-beauty story. We love you, thank you." And there is 10% off promo code that expires on September 30, 2018. And earlier, I told you that they gave away 3 sheets of paper or boxes, and these are the birthday book. It says, "Althea turns 3, it's time to celebrate. Tear along the solid lines, then fold according to the lines of the box. Snap a photo of all 3 mini birthday boxes and wish us a happy birthday on Instagram with hashtag Althea turns 3 this July to stand a chance to win amazing prizes." So again, just like last year, we're gonna DIY stuff from Althea. If you may remember, last year, they sent a birthday box that we decorated for a chance to win different prizes. So this year, ito ulit, they have 3 little mini boxes that we're going to decorate or assemble and post on Instagram. If you're interested to see what I bought, so here it is. We're going to unbox it right here and right now. At grabe yung packaging nila, oh, ibang level. As in talagang, alam mo na, mag-no spill, hindi siya bubukas, hindi siya magagalaw, sobrang bubble wrap nung, ano ba to? Wrapping plastic. So, ayun, I guess, ito siya binubuksan. Galing, oh, ang ganda. Pero wala na siyang mga bubble wrap. Kasi yun talaga yung gusto ko every time I open an Althea box. The bubble wraps are just so good and they are actually stress-free. So, the first stuff that I bought is the Day 101 Etude House Stick Contour Duo Highlighter / Shading. Actually, these are not new products, but I bought them because I needed them for my everyday life or everyday routine. So, yan. 101 Play Stick. This one is the ano ba to? Contour Duo siya. Ito yung pang-highlight. Tapos, the other On the other end is the pang contour. Ako kasi super favorite ko contouring my face kasi medyo malaki nga yung cheeks ko. So, I need them enhanced. Enhanced talaga. Or mag-hide yung ibang parts ng face ko. Kasi medyo on the malaking side dito. So, for the next product, I bought the Innisfree Mineral Essential Concealer. This is how it looks like. At ayaw mo focus ng camera ko. Ayan. In number 3, True Beige. Ito yung shade niya. Ayan. As you can see, maliit lang siya. This is 6.5 grams because I just needed it for a while. Ayoko kasi yung natatambakan ako ng makeup tapos super mag-e-expire na siya. As in, sobrang waste of money. Kasi, you know, madalas talaga nag-e-expire yung product sa akin. So, this one is, I forgot kung magkano siya. I'll just link it down below so you can see if ever you'd like to purchase one on Althea, you'd like to know the price, I'll just put it down below. So, another stuff that I bought is the Air Cotton Makeup Base from the Face Shop in Lavender. Ayan. I know, sinabi ko na nga, hindi siya new products, hindi rin siya in new packaging or something. It's just that the products that I bought from Althea today are the staples kasi nga medyo maubusan ako ng makeup kasi lately kasi I tried decluttering and found out that I have many expired makeups in my vanity. So, ayun, kailangan nang bumili ng mga bago. Or if ever na may gustong mag-sponsor ng makeup sa akin, I'm open for collaborations. So, yeah, this one is the Face Shop Air Cotton Makeup Base. And let's see. Actually, hindi ko pa nga rin siya natatry eh. Pero nakita ko naman, okay naman yung mga reviews niya. Ay, purple. Ayan. Ito siya, color purple. Tapos, makeup base. Maganda yata yung purple na, no? For, color correcting. Ayan. In fairness naman, naman siya. Umaayon naman siya sa skin color. So, yun. The last thing that I bought is it's my brush, eyebrow brush. Yan, this one. Hindi ko alam kung nakita siya ng maayos. So, this one, yan. I bought this one kasi lately kasi, I've been meaning to study how to draw my eyebrows kasi hindi talaga ako magaling in doing so. And, ayun, nakita ko kasi this brush is really sturdy. Sturdy talaga. Sturdy when used. Tsaka, yun nga, meron na rin akong powder brush na ganito yung brand niya. And, yun nga, medyo okay siya to use. I have 4 products that I bought from Althea, Korea, and from different brands. This one is Etude House, this one is the Face Shop, this one is the Innisfree. Kasi, alam nyo na, walang Innisfree dito. And, it's my brush. So, yon. And now, I'm going to assemble the birthday box. So, here are the finished boxes, guys. This is the first book. Diba? It's so cute. It's so small. And it's so pink. It's my favorite color. The next one is the book 2. This is the blue one. And the last one is the book 3, the purple one. So, you try to have it stacked. Tapos yan. Birthday boxes. Ang cute, diba? Sana lang meron din siyang malaking birthday box. So, parang medyo close to the product. This is so cute! Thanks for watching again my vlog, my returning vlog for this month, this July, and I hope to see you on the next ones, and I hope I can make more vlogs like this in the future. So, thank you again for watching. This is Sugar Smile. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you! Bye!